Hello everyone, I, Dr. Sachin Sabharwal, Faculty of Management Department of Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to deliver a lecture on roadblocks of Indian rural market. There are several roadblocks that make it difficult to progress in the rural market. Marketers encounter a number of problems like dealing with physical distribution logistics, proper and effective deployment of sales force and effective marketing communication. When they enter rural markets, the major problems are listed as on. First, standard of living. The number of people below poverty line is more in rural markets. Thus, the market is also underdeveloped and marketing strategies have to be different from those used in urban marketing. Second is low literacy levels. The low literacy levels in rural areas leads to a problem of communication. Print media has less utility compared to the other media of communication. Third is low per capita income. Agriculture is the main source of income and hence spending capacity depends upon the agricultural produce. Demand may not be stable or regular. Fourth is transportation and warehousing. Transportation is one of the biggest challenges in rural markets. As far as road transportation is concerned, about 50% of Indian villages are connected by roads. However, the rest of the rural markets do not even have a proper road linkage, which make physical distribution a tough task. Many villages are located in hilly terrains that makes it difficult to connect them through roads. Most marketers use tractors or bullock carts in rural areas to distribute their products. Warehousing is another major problem in rural areas as there is hardly any organized agency to look after the storage issue. The services rendered by Central Warehousing Corporation and state warehousing corporations are limited only to urban and suburban areas. Next is ineffective distribution channels. The distribution chain is not very well organized and requires a large number of intermediaries, which in turn increases the cost and creates administrative problems. Due to lack of proper infrastructure, manufacturers are reluctant to open outlets in these areas. They are mainly dependent on dealers who are not easily available for rural areas. This is a challenge for marketers. Next is many languages and diversity in culture. Factors like cultural congruence, different behavior and language of the respective areas make it difficult to handle the customers. Traits among the sales force are required to match the various requirements of the specific areas. Next is lack of communication system. Quick communication is the need for the hour. Smooth conduct of business, but it continues to be a far cry in rural areas due to lack of communication facilities like telegraph and telecommunication systems, etc. The literacy rate in the rural areas is rather low and consumers' behavior in these areas is traditional, which may be a problem of effective communication. Next is spurious brands. Cost of important factors that determines purchasing decision in rural areas. A lot of spurious brands. Cost is an important factor that determines purchasing decision in rural areas. A lot of spurious brands or lookalikes are available, providing a low cost option to the rural customers. Many a time the rural customer may not be aware of the difference due to literacy. Many a time the rural customer may not be aware of the difference due to illiteracy. Next is seasonal demand. Demand may be seasonal due to dependency on agricultural income. Harvest season might see an increase in disposable income and hence more purchasing power. And last is dispersed markets. Rural population is highly dispersed and requires a lot of marketing efforts in terms of distribution and communication. Hope you understood the topic, roadblocks of Indian rural markets. For watching more videos like this, keep watching Technia TV. Thank you.